Today, we're going to explore how to use Miro on a PC or a desktop. When you first land on the Miro app, you'll see the Sign Up button at the top right corner. Click on it, and it will take you to a new page where new users can create an account. If you already have an account, you can simply sign in. For now, I'll continue signing up to create a new account. It only takes a few moments to complete the setup, so just wait for it to finish. Once your account is created, you'll be taken to the dashboard, and a pop-up will appear on the screen. This will ask you to select the option that best describes the type of work you do. From the drop-down menu, choose the option that fits you best. You'll also see another question. Have you ever used Miro before? If you're already familiar with it, you can select accordingly. But for this demonstration, I'll choose No, it's my first time. After selecting both options, click on Continue to Board. Now we're on the dashboard where the interface is clean and easy to understand. At the top left side, you will see that the board name is already set. If you want to rename it, simply double-click on it, type your desired name, and press Enter. The name will update instantly. Right next to the board name, you'll find the thumbnail icon. Click on it, and a panel will open where you can choose an icon for your board. You can also upload your own image if you prefer. For now, I'll just show how it works. As you can see, the thumbnail has been updated. If you click on the three dots, a menu will appear with options like board settings, editing, views, reference, accessibility, and more. Under the board option, you can create a new board, save your current board, export it in different formats, or even move or delete it if needed. In the editing section, you can undo or redo any changes. The view section lets you control how elements appear on your board. You can explore these options based on your project needs. Next, click on the arrow icon at the top, and you'll be able to export your board as a PDF image or template. Simply choose the format that suits your needs. You'll also see the upgrade option. If you want access to premium features, you can upgrade your plan. Options include Starter, Business, or Enterprise. Choose the one that fits your requirements. Now, let's go back and start exploring the tools available on the board. In the center of the screen, you'll find a search box powered by Miro AI. You can use this to generate ideas or content for your project. For example, if I type a command to brainstorm ideas and click the arrow icon, it will start generating content within a few moments. Once it's ready, you can copy and use it wherever needed. On the left side, you'll see a vertical toolbar with all the essential tools. First, we have the Select tool, which allows you to select and move objects on the board. Next is the Formats and Flows tool. From here, you can choose what you want to add. For example, if I select a diagram, I just need to click anywhere on the board and it will be added. You can also choose templates or create elements using AI. I'll go with a template. On the left side, you'll see available templates. Choose one based on your needs and it will be added to your board. You'll notice it comes with structured rows, columns, and shapes to help organize your workflow. You can edit everything as needed, and once done, click Back to Canvas at the top. Now simply drag the template to position it anywhere on your board. There is also a Templates option available. Click on it, and a new tab will appear on the screen. Here, you will find a bundle of free templates. From the left, you can filter by selecting categories, and on the right side, explore templates to find what you need. Once you find one, click on Use Template. Within a moment, the template will be added to the board. Now, just zoom into this template and make the changes according to your requirements. You can also add shapes and media files. Once all is done, from this bar, click on the play icon, and you can see your project on the screen page by page, but it's only available for premium plans. After that, there is the Sticky Notes tool. From this section, select a colored note that you want to add, and then click anywhere on the board to add it. Once added, you can type anything inside it. I am using demo text. You can also change its color, size, and position according to your needs. Next, we have the Text tool. This is useful for adding titles, descriptions, or any kind of written content to your board. Next, we have the Shapes tool. This allows us to add different shapes like rectangles, circles, arrows, and more. Then we have the Pen tool. This tool allows you to draw freely on the board. You can use it to sketch ideas, highlight areas, or create custom drawings. Next, there is the Frame tool. Here, you will find different sizes of pages and frames to add to your board. You can also add slides and diagrams as well. In the next tool, you will find stickers, emoji icons, Giphy, and other integrated platforms as well. Next in this bar is the Comments tool. Select it and now click anywhere on the board to add a comment. When added, write anything that you want to mention and click on the arrow icon to add it. Now simply drag it to change its position and set it where your team or colleagues can see it easily. At the bottom of the toolbar, you will also find more tools and options. If you want to add more, click on the plus icon. It will open a side menu where you can scroll and find a wide list of apps and tools that can help you organize and manage your project efficiently. There are also undo and redo options that can help you make changes in case of a mistake. Now let's move to the top section of the board. Here you will find reaction icons. Just select one and it will be added to the selected project or task. Next is the Activity tab, where you can see the history of actions that you perform. Next, there is a recording feature that allows you to record meetings and you can watch them later. There is also a Present feature that converts your frames into slides on the screen, but it's available for premium plans only. If you want to install the Miro app, click here at the top and a new tab will appear on the screen. From here, just select the app according to your device and install it to start working. And that's it. This is the short and complete overview of Miro desktop usage.